Hello guys, welcome to my channel Upskill with Deep. In this video, I'm going to tell about a DevOps tool. Like it can be a website or a tool which can give a quick Kubernetes cluster for practicing or for reviewing for our personal use. It is completely free of cost, but it is for temporary use. This is the tool killercoda, and you need to log into this for accessing these content clusters. Yeah, after login you can check there are multiple things available here, like you can practice Argo CD, you can practice Grafana Labs, Istio. There are many things in Unix. In this session we are going to explore Kubernetes. Yeah, here it is. You can select Kubernetes. We have multiple courses here. If you want, you can practice them. You can select playground. Yeah, it is just capture. See, our environment is getting ready. Yeah, yeah. I think this I am using Mac OS. Safari is not supported. Use Firefox or Chrome for better purpose. That's a warning. You can ignore it. You see, kubectl get notes. See, there is a control plane available here. You can ignore this. There is a control plane available here with the command kubectl get notes. You can also check all the default parts from the kube system and everything. See, kube system, code, DNS, everything is set up for us. It's free. We can use this up to 60 minutes. See, if you want to extend it, it needs a plus membership. For allowing external traffic, we also have a traffic ports tab where we can define custom ports and pass the traffic. For a simple demonstration purpose, I'm deploying a Nginx pod inside it. I'm creating an Nginx create deployment Nginx. You can give some test app. An image Nginx. If anything, we should also maintain container. Yeah, kubectl get pods. See, our container is creating. It will take some 2 to 3 minutes. Right. See, it is running. Can verify. Yeah, it is running. You can also expose it. You can create a service for that. Like we have created a test tab. We can also expose deployment test tab. You can directly create a expose test tab, and like type, we can give the type to node port. For exposing it, like externally, we can use node port. Because load balancer is not supported, because we are using free type node port, and target port is 80, because Nginx runs default in 80. Yeah, I think we have to mention here deployment. Just a minute, there is syntax issue. Actually, we know this node of this. Yeah, it is telling only port, not of target port, on which application it is running like that. See, it is exposed, kubectl expose. You can check the services. See, there is a node IP, node port. We have opened this, right? We can select this node port, and we can enter here. Sorry. See, and the next application running. Yeah, and like in just 4 minutes, we have connected to the cluster, and we have also created a deployment, and it is also running. And we also exposed it using a node port. Just some syntax issues, no problem. We can always use the documentation for that. See, we can also create secrets. We can create anything for our practice purpose. We can use this environment. So we can use Kubernetes cluster for free. Yeah, that's it for this video. Let's explore more tools. Let's skill up together. Let's share our knowledge together. Let's connect in another video. Thanks.